Alright, this video picks up where our last video left off. You should have already installed the WordPress website management system as well as the BeachBody Coaches theme. This video will go over the theme-specific configuration options that you have available to you. So what we're going to do is we're going to hover over the appearance menu, and you'll see that you now have a BeachBody Coach theme options menu here. So we're going to click that and it'll take you to the options screen. This first option right here, the site is ready to go live. Until you have configured your site and are ready for it to be available to the public, your users are going to see the site is under construction, please check back soon holding page. When you are ready to go, click this option, click Save All Changes, and you'll be good to go. The next choice you have is what skin you want it to have. And as you can see here, we've got several different options in two main families. The first few options, black through slate, are a white background with a highlight color, and what you're picking is the highlight color. So right now the blue is the default, and so you see a white background with blue highlights. For the dark options, I'm going to go ahead and pick the dark blue so you can see that. The dark blue, it will have a gray textured background with the blue highlight colors. And so all the dark themes are that way. They've got a dark gray background with the highlight color going through it. So we'll go ahead and I'll show you a couple options here. And I'm going to pop over to just the regular orange. The idea was that we wanted to make sure you had enough choices to have a site that you liked and that you would be proud of. So I'm going to switch mine back to the basic blue default and just use that for the rest of the demo and show that it refreshes and it's there. The next step is you want to enter your name. So I'm just going to put in a generic name, a generic email address. One thing to note is you will want to make sure that you put in the email that you purchased the theme from us with, because this is tracked and we do verify that the people who are using the theme are people who have actually purchased the theme. The next is you want to enter in a phone number, and then finally you want to enter in your BeachBody rep ID. And if you go into your home screen, you see that I've got a picture right here showing you where your rep ID is. And on your home screen in your BeachBody back office, the user ID field is your rep ID. And so that's what you'll put in here. I'm just going to make one up real quick. I'm going to get long enough so I'm pretty sure no one's got this one. And then finally, you want to put in your BeachBody username. So I'm going to go ahead and save those changes. And we're back. So that's the basic configuration settings, and now we're going to move into some of the more in-depth configuration that we can do. On the top right section of the screen, you will see a before and after picture when your site is live. You can choose to either have one picture, you can have it rotating back and forth between two pictures. And what I'm going to show you here is it rotating back and forth between two pictures, or how to set that up. If you only enter in data for one of the pictures, it will just show that one picture, and you won't have to, and your users won't see it rotating. It'll just see that one picture that you specify. Now I've already edited my pictures. I took the pictures of Carl Deichler from our BeachBody back office and cropped them and resized them. Use whatever image editing program you want to do that. I've cropped them down to 200 pixels wide. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go up under Media and click Add New. And once it refreshes, we're going to drag the files over onto that section, and you'll see that now those files are uploaded. So I'm going to click Show here, and I'm going to grab the URL from that box, and we are going to paste those into our settings screen. So I'm using multiple tabs. That's how I'm able to switch so quickly. But do it however you want to do it. But now those options are in there. And then finally, this next section has social media and web. And so what we've done as a part of the theme is put in here several different pre-built ways that you can connect, that users can connect to you. And so via email, you can put your email address in here, but I would not recommend it. There are several plugins out there that will allow you to create a contact form, and the theme is smart enough to know whether you've put an email address or an actual web URL. What I would recommend is build a contact us page using one of those plugins, and then put that URL in here. And then you can link to your Facebook account, your Foursquare account, your Google Plus account, LinkedIn, MySpace, Skype, Twitter, Vimeo, Yahoo, and YouTube. As more and more social networks appear, we'll probably add some more in here as well, but for right now, this is the set that we have. They cover the main gamut of social networks that are out there, with Facebook being probably the most popular, with Twitter coming in behind that. So at the least, you're going to want to put in your email, Facebook, and Twitter if you've got them. So we're going to finish up this video for right now. There are still more options. As you can see, my scroll bar is not all the way down, but these other ones are ads that you can use from your BeachBody back office, and we will cover those in another video. But for right now, I'm going to close out this configuration video with just the top ones that we've done so far.